Morning children, welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, we are doing chapter 10 addition by carrying over. Today we will be doing part 7. We have finished with our part 6 in our previous session where we did word problems. Okay, so let us see today what we are going to do. We are going to do arrange vertically and add. This we have finished earlier, but still we are going to revise it. So let us start. The number is 452 plus 385. Okay. So the first step what we are going to do, we are going to arrange it vertically first. So let us arrange it vertically. Here we have arrange it vertically, 100 tens and unit column, and we are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So let us add. Just a second. Okay, so let us add 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, correct. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So for 13 what I am going to do, I am going to write 3 and 1 I will carry over. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, just a second, 8. So when I add 452 plus 385, I get my answer 837. Next, 563 plus 267. What is my question? 563 plus 267. Let us arrange them. Here it comes. Now it is arranged according to their place value, that is in 100 tens in unit column, and we are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So shall we start? Okay. Now 3 plus 7 children. 7, 8. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to write 0 here and 1 we are going to carry over. Now 6 plus this 1 will be 7. To that 7 if I add this 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So for 13 what I am going to do, I am going to write 3 and 1 again I will carry over. Now 5 plus 1 will be 6. Now to that 6 if I add this 2, my answer will be 8. 563 plus 267, the answer is 830. Next, 780 plus 199. 780 plus 199. What is the first step we are going to do is, we are going to arrange them vertically and then we are going to add. Now here we have arranged it vertically. So shall we start adding? 0 plus 9, 9. 8 plus 9. After 9 we will add more 8 fingers. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I get my answer 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 I will carry over. Now 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what is my answer? When I add 780 plus 199, I get my answer 979. Next, 799 plus 199. What is my question? 799 plus 199. Let us arrange them vertically. Here it goes. We have arranged them vertically according to their place value. So now we will start adding units with units. So 9 plus 9 will be how much children? After 9 add more 9 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So for 18, what I am going to write here? I am going to write 8 and 1 I will carry over. Okay. Now 9 plus 1 will be 10. To that 10 if I add 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Understood? So for 19 what I am going to write? 9 and then 1 carry over. Okay. Now 7 plus 1 will be 8. To that 8 if I add this one more 1, 9. So what answer I get when I add 799 plus 199? I get my answer 998. Now next. Now add in horizontal arrangement. There's also, children, we have done before. Add in horizontal arrangement. One session I had done arrange vertically and add, and in the next session I have taught you how to add in horizontal arrangement. Come on, let us revise once again. 575 plus 362. Now how teacher told you how you are going to add? You are going to, wait one second. What you are going to do is, you are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So let us add this. You don't have to arrange anyway. Okay. So 5 plus 2 will be, wait, I'll use another color bit. Okay. Now 5 plus 2 will be 6, 7. So I'm going to write the number 7. Okay. Here I will write. Okay. Now 7 plus 6, that is tens with tens. So 7 plus 6 will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what I am going to write is, I am going to write only the number 3 and 1 I have to keep in mind. But I am writing here to explain you. Okay. So that 1 is carrying over about 5. So 5 plus 3 will be 8. Now to that 8, if I add this 1, so what answer I get? 9. So when I add 575 plus 362, I get my answer 937. I hope you are understanding, children, very well. Next, 441 plus 224. So let us add, children, horizontally. Now units with units, that is 1 and 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Now 4 plus 2, that is tens with tens. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now here no carryover, children. 4 plus 2 again, that is 100 with 100. 4 plus 2 again is 6. So what answer I get when I add 441 plus 224? I get my answer 665. That is 665. Next, 677 plus 186. Let us start. Okay. So now units with units, that is 7 and 6. So after 7, children, add more 6 finger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So for 13 what I will do? I will write only 3 and 1 I will carry over on 7. The other number 7, that is on tens place. Now 7 and 8, that is tens with tens. So first 7 plus 1 will be how much? 8. Now to that 8 I will add 8 more. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now again I am getting the answer in 2 numbers. So again what I will do? I will write 6 here and 1 I will carry over about 6. Now 6 plus 1 will be 7. Now to that 7 I will add this 1. So what the answer? 7 plus 1 will be 8. So when I add 677 plus 186, I get my answer 863. Next, 212 plus 9. Now here children, it is a single digit number. Now tell me how you are going to solve it. This is units with units. 9 is a unit number. Okay. So 2 plus 9 will be, after 9 add more 2 fingers, 10 and 11. So what I am going to write is, I am going to write here 1. Then 1 I will carry over on tens place. But now I am not having any number to add the other number. So what I am going to do is 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So I will write here 2. Now here I got the number in a single number. Okay, in a single digit. So below, to add with 2, that is in hundreds place, I am not having any other number. Nor I am having any carryover on 2. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write the 2 here. Understood? So what is the answer? If I add 212 plus 9, I get my answer 221. Next. Now solve the following word problem. Children, this word problem topic yesterday only I explained you in the session. So let us do one more time. A garden has 300 coconut trees, 250 mango trees and 175 apple trees. How many trees are there in the garden? This teacher has taught you yesterday how you are going to do the word problem first. What you are going to do is, the first thing in a word problem, what you are going to do is, you are going to make a column of HTU, that is 100 tens in unit. Then you are going to arrange the number according to their place values. Okay, that is the first number is 300, 250 and 175. Now 300 is what? Coconut tree. So beside 300 you are going to write coconut tree. Then comes 250. 250 is what? Mango trees. So beside 250 you are going to write mango trees. Then 175. 175 is what? Apple trees. Okay. Now you have arranged them. Now you are going to start your addition. So we'll start with our addition. So 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 0 plus 5 will be 5. Okay, 0 plus 5 again in tens places 5. 5 plus 7, after 7 add more 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I will write here 2 and 1 I will carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7. So you get your answer 725. How you are going to write your answer? There are 725 trees in the garden. Understood children? The first step is you are going to arrange it vertically. Everything, the numbers according to their place value. Then you are going to write besides what carries what, like 300 coconut trees, 250 mango trees, 175 apple trees. Then you are going to add, and after adding the answer that you get, you are going to write down. I am not having place here in this slide, so I am writing in the next slide, but you are going to write down. If you have the place, after doing this sum, you are going to write it below that sum. Okay. So there are 725 trees in the garden. Now let us move to the next. Okay. Mummy purchased a dress for rupees 450 for Komal and a watch for rupees 540 for Soham. How many rupees did mummy spend in all? Now mummy purchased a dress for rupees 450 for Komal and she bought a watch for rupees 540 for Soham. So how many rupees did she spend in all? So let us count. First let us, what we'll do? We will arrange it according to their place value. HTU, then the numbers according to the place value, and then 450 is what? Komal dress, and 540 is what? Soham's watch. Okay, now we will start adding. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. That is units with units. 5 plus 4 will be 6, 7, 8, 9. So no carryover, okay? Only the number 9. And 4 plus 5, again number 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. So what answer you get? 990. So what answer, children, we get? Mummy spent 990 rupees in all. What answer you are going to write? Mummy spent 990 rupees in all. Okay. So with this, children, I finish my today's session of Maths Addition by Carrying Over Part 7. Okay. I hope you understood this session very clearly. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye. See you soon.